Children, this is Shivalchas speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter mensuration, and we discussed about the area of trapezium, how to find their area using the formula of area of trapezium, in which we discussed about trapezium as well as rhombuses using different various formula like area of parallelogram, the concept of area of parallelogram, as well as the formula with diagonal. So here, children, in this particular exercise, we will be discussing about total surface area of three-dimensional shapes. Children, we need to understand the basic difference between two-dimensional shapes and three-dimensional shapes. Children, let us given some example with square and cube. Okay, now what is square and what is cube? Square is a shape of rather polygon of four sides, having four sides, can be drawn on a copy, can be placed on a plane surface. It has got only two dimensions or two sides, either length or breadth. There are two dimensions called length and breadth. And when we're talking about three-dimensional shapes, a shape in which there are three dimensions like length, breadth, and height. LBH. Okay, that's why the name of this shape is three-dimensional shapes. These three-dimensional shapes can be placed on hand, can be kept in hand. Example is any solid objects like Ludo's dice, then Rubik's cube, or a pencil box or a geometry box. All these shapes are an example of three-dimensional shapes like called cube, cuboid, and all that. So whenever we are talking about surface area and total surface area means an object having its outer part. Suppose I'm talking about a cuboid. The cuboid is made up of six faces. So all these outer six faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all these six faces having a surface area or an area. That concept is known as total surface area. Surface means the outer part. Surface means the outer side, the outer covering. The outer covering's area is known as total surface area. And the area of a particular shape, like any two-dimensional shapes, means how much space is occupied by the object. How much space is inside the object or inside the shape is known as surface area. So surface area means how much space occupied by the object or by the shape is called area. And total surface, or surface area means the area by its outer covering, by its surface, is called total surface area. In this particular chapter, we will come to know about lateral surface area and total surface area. Okay, lateral surface area means the area of four faces is called lateral surface area. Means two faces will be opened or will not be there only. Not there. Only four faces is known as lateral surface area. And total surface area means in total, six faces. So here in this first question number 1, there are two cuboidal boxes shown in the adjoining figure. Which box requires the lesser amount of materials to make? Okay. One is cuboid. The cuboid has got the measures. L is equal to 60 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 40 centimeter. And height is 50 centimeter. These are the measures of the dimensions of cuboid. And the cube has got the measures of their dimensions. As you all know that cube has got all three dimensions are of equal measures. That's why it forms a cube. In the previous video, I've already explained about it. So 50 centimeter, 50 centimeter, and 50 centimeter. So in which figure the more materials, greater materials will be required to make? Which surface will have greater surface area? That object will need more materials to make. Of course, as I'm more in size, of course I need more clothes. Suppose my shirt size is 40, and somebody whose shirt's size is 42. So of course the person who is having size 42 will be needing more clothes, right? Will be required more clothes. Yes. So by using that concept, let's find the total surface area of cuboid. The formula of total surface area, TSA, is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. 2 into LB means 60 into 40. BH means 40 into 50. LH means 60 into 50. Chalo, let us solve it now. 6 into 40, 2400. 40 into 50, 2000. 60 into 50, 3000. So 2 into 2400, 3 to 5000, 5, 6, 7, 7000, 7400. So 2 into 7400 results 14,800 centimeters square. This is the total surface area of cuboid. Now, total surface area of cube. The formula of total surface area, TSA, of cube is, total surface area of cube is 6a square. 6a square means 6 into 50 square. 6 into 50 square. So 6 into 50 square means 2500. 50 into 50, 2500. 6 into 2500, 15,000 centimeters square. So that means cube has got larger area. So it means that it needs more material in comparison to this one cuboid. It needs more material. Question number. Now the second question of this exercise is about a suitcase with measures 80 centimeter, 48 centimeter, and 24 centimeter is to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth. How many meters of tarpaulin cloth of width? 96 centimeters is required to cover 100 such suitcases. It's one of the most important and very conceptual question of this exercise. Okay, now a suitcase, of course, it's a shape of a cuboid. Now question is that how did you know it's a shape of a cuboid? Because the measures of L, B, H are different. In cube, the measures of L, B, H are same. Length, breadth and heights are same. In this measure, in this particular figure, the measure of length, breadth and heights are different. So that is 80, 48 and 24. Let's find the total surface area of this figure first. TSA is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So here 2 into LB means 80 into 48. BH means 48 into 24. LH means 80 into 24. Now 2 into 80 plus 80 into 48 is 3840. 48 in 24 is 48 in 24. One 152. 8 in 24 is 1920. Okay, so 2 into, finally we'll be adding these numbers, 3840 plus 1152 and 1920. So it's 2459 plus 211, 1. 6912. 6912. This much, will be multiplied with 2. 2 to the 4, 2 1 is 2, 9 2 is 18, 8. 2 carries, 6 2 is 12, 13, 14. 14824 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of the suitcase. Now, children, this much of cloth, tarpaulin cloth is required. This much of tarpaulin cloth is required to cover one suitcase. So of course, length into breadth, which is the formula of area of a rectangle, as suitcase looks like a rectangle by its outer surfaces. Length into breadth is equal to area. So length is unknown, breadth is 96 centimeter, because I am having a tarpaulin cloth which comes in a roll. Length is to be found, but breadth is fixed, that is 96. Whenever we go any tailoring shop to purchase any in order to stitch a shirts and all, we come to see that it comes in roll. The cloths comes in roll, in which widths are fixed, but length is as much we require, it can be provided. As the length is changeable, we can change the length. We can, as much we want, we can get. But the width of that roll is fixed. It comes in fixed width. So area is 14824. So L is equal to 14824 by 96. Let's cancel it out. 48 to the 96, 7 to the 14, 2 4 is 8, 2 1 is 2, 2 to the 4. If I cancel it by direct 144 into 48, 4 is 32, 2, 3 carried, 1152, 2, 6912. What it will be coming, if the calculation is okay, the length must be 144. The length must be 144. So 144 should be the length of the tarpaulin cloth. Now I need to cover 100 such suitcases. So for one suitcase it's 144 centimeter. For 100 suitcases, 144 into 100, 14400 centimeter matlab 144 meter cloths will be required to cover 100 such suitcases. I believe it's clear to everyone. If there is any confusions or doubts, please feel free to speak to me. Now, question number 3 is about find the side of a cube whose surface area is 600 centimeters square. There is a cube. Whose total surface area is already given. TSA is already given to us. That is 600 centimeters square. I have to find its measure of its sides. So we know that 6a square equal to 600. So a square is equal to 600 by 6. A square equal to 100. So a is equal to, this square will be transposed from left hand side to the right hand side. It will be root over 100. So a is equal to root over 100 means root over 100 is equal to root over 100 means 10 into 10 10 into 10. So 10 into 10 results 10. If I take out of this root over, it will be 10. So the value of one side is equal to 10. So I believe it's clear to everyone. The measure of A will be 10. So the one side of the cube is 10 centimeter. If there are any doubts or confusions, please feel free to speak to me. Till then, thank you so much, children. In the next video, I'll be discussing about the remaining sums of exercise 11.3. Till then, thank you so much.